The
Marcus and his
balance
wife
is
made
lower than
$98,000
last
last
month.
year
Look at
and
this
saved
number.
almost
I
nothing.
know.
Not because they were reckless. No
I
fancy
don't know
cars.
what we're gonna do.
No designer bags. They just lived normally. Grabbed coffee on the way to work. Ordered DoorDash when dinner felt like too much effort. Never questioned a single subscription. Then, one Sunday, Marcus tracked every dollar from the past 30 days. What he found was not a spending problem, it was something worse. Invisible leaks, small, quiet, completely normal expenses draining their money faster than they earned it. Fixing those leaks saved them over $11,000 this year. These are the 26 frugal habits that did it. And the one at number 14? Marcus says that one changed everything. Here's the thing we never talk about. Most Americans do not have a spending problem. They have a leak problem. Picture your finances like a bathtub. We are all focused on turning up the faucet, working harder, earning more, but the tub never fills because there are leaks everywhere. Small ones, like the $5 coffee. Bigger ones, like subscription creep and convenience upgrades you forgot you signed up for. And the sneakiest ones, identity leaks, spending money to match a lifestyle that was never really yours. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American household spends nearly $73,000 a year. A huge chunk of that is not rent or groceries. It is the invisible stuff nobody tracks. Today we are plugging every single one, 26 frugal habits, organized by leak size, no extreme couponing, no deprivation. Just intentional spending that works in real American life. Habit 1. Make coffee at home. A tall drip at Starbucks. About $3.50 at home, 30 cents. According to CNET, that gap is over $660 a year. Marcus switched to a $20 pour-over. Still good coffee. Just stopped paying $700 a year for it. Habit 2. Sunday meal prep. Marcus used to spend $14 on DoorDash for a lunch he would not remember by dinner. Now he makes 4 containers on Sunday. Chicken, rich, roasted vegetables. Cost per lunch, $3.50. Annual savings, over $2,700. Habit 3. Eat your freezer first. Most of us have $50 to $100 of forgotten food sitting in there. Marcus and his wife started planning meals around what they already had.
For Wednesday.
Food waste drop,
The total looks good.
grocery bills drop.
Perfect.
Quick math, $12 a lunch. 5 days a week, 50 weeks. $3,000. A round-trip flight to Tokyo for meals you ate at your desk and forgot. Abifu. Meatless Monday. 1 day a week where dinner is pasta, beans, all a big stir fry. The United States Department of Agriculture tracks meat as the most expensive grocery category. Cutting it 1 day saves around $500 a year. Habit 5. Homemade snack swap. Trail mix at home, 80 cents. Kind bar at the gas station, $4. We are not talking gourmet cooking, just pretzels and almonds. Abisis, pack your breakfast. 6 out of 10 workers buy breakfast out 3 times a week at $10 each. That is $1,560 a year. Overnight oats cost about $1. Now pause, grab your phone, Open your bank app, scroll back 30 days. Add up every coffee charge, every delivery fee, every fast food run. Be honest. Most people land between $800 and $1,200 in a single month. That is not a spending category. That is an invisible leak. And we are only 6 habits in habit 7. Water first. The average American spends over $600 a year on drinks outside the home. According to Bureau of Labor Statistics data, Marcus keeps a water bottle at his desk. Water is free. Habit 8. The snack shelf reset. Marcus's wife reorganized their pantry so the food that needs eating first is right up front. Reduces waste by 25%. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, nobody is saying give up coffee forever. Frugal habits are not about deprivation. They are about knowing where the leaks are so you choose which ones are worth keeping. Habit 9. The subscription audit. Marcus found they were paying for 4 streaming services at once. Bankrate says the average American spends $219 a month on subscriptions. He canceled 3, kept 1, started streaming, service hopping. Over $800 saved in a year. Habit 10. Negotiate every bill. Marcus called his phone carrier and his internet provider. 2 phone calls. $660 saved in a year. Most providers have retention departments whose entire job is keeping you from leaving. Use that. Here is one most frugal channels get completely wrong. They say, buy the cheapest version of everything. That actually costs you more. Habit 11. Buy for value, not price. $40 shoes that last 4 months cost $120 a year. $90 shoes that last 3 years cost $30 a year. Cost per use is the metric that matters. Marcus learned this the hard way with 3 pairs of budget shoes that fell apart before summer. Habit 12. The 72-hour rule. Anything over $20? Wait 3 days. 70 to 80% of people do not go back. Marcus's wife started this after a Target run where she went in for detergent and left $87 lighter. Habit 13. Wash everything cold. According to Energy Star, heating water is 90% of your washing machine's energy use. Marcus saved $180 a year by turning 1 dial. Habit 14. Stop upgrading your phone every 2 years. Marcus has had his for 4 years. Works fine. Gets updates. The average upgrade costs over $1,000. Stretch it to 5 years and save $500 annually. Last year's model is 95% the same. They just want you to think it is not. But the real savings, those are not in your subscriptions or phone plan. They are in the next section. And they are the ones Marcus almost did not catch. This is the part nobody talks about. This is where the real money is. Habit 15. Stop spending on your fantasy self. Marcus had a closet full of hiking gear. Used it twice in 3 years. That is what we call an identity leak. Spending to match a version of yourself that does not actually exist. Lifestyle inflation is the quietest wealth killer in America. Every purchase makes sense in the story you tell yourself. But the story is expensive. Habit 16. Repeat your outfits. The spotlight effect is mostly in our heads. Marcus's wife wears 4 work outfits on rotation. Nobody has ever said a word. Habit 17. Go Dutch without apology. Split by what each person ordered. Clear. Fair. Simple. Habit 18. The staycation default. Marcus and his wife explored Columbus for a long weekend. $200 total. The equivalent trip with flights would have been $2,000. Remember Marcus's parents? Here is what happened 18 months after they downsized. Habit 19. Downsize before you think you need to. They sold their 4-bedroom house, moved into a 2-bedroom ranch. Mortgage dropped $650 a month. They maxed out their 401k catch-up contributions. At current projections, they will retire 3 years earlier. Because of a smaller house, for anyone over 35 carrying a bigger mortgage than they need, the savings compound fast. Habit 20. Live near your work. Commuting costs the average American over $5,000 a year. Marc Dideo. Marcus's 12-minute commute in Columbus is not an accident. Habit 21. Automate your savings. 10% of every paycheck goes to a separate account before Marcus sees it. You cannot spend what you do not see. That 10% built to 5,000, then 10,000. It became their emergency fund, then their freedom. Quick note, if you are considering a high-yield savings account or index fund, talk to a licensed financial advisor. Everyone's situation is different. This is not investment advice. Habit 22. Do it yourself before you call a pro. Marcus's dishwasher stopped draining. Found a 7-minute YouTube tutorial. Fixed it with a screwdriver. Cost. 0. Habit 23. Drive your car longer. Marcus drives a 2017 Honda Civic with 93,000 miles. The average new car loses 20% of its value year 1. If these habits are so simple, why do more people not do them? Habit 24. Make your own cleaners. Vinegar, water, dish soap. That is your all-purpose cleaner. You need 3 products, not 14. Habit 25. Use it up completely. Cut open lotion bottles when the pumps stop. Another month of product every time. $50 to $75 saved across a year. Habit 26. Do not raise the ceiling. This is the one that ties it all together. When Marcus paid off his student loans, he had an extra $400 a month. The old instinct screamed upgrade. Instead, he kept living at the same level and redirected every dollar into savings. That is the final frugal habit. And it might be the most important. Every raise, every bonus, every paid off debt is a chance to raise your standard of living or raise your standard of saving. The people who build real wealth choose saving every time. Tonight, do one thing. Open your bank app. Cancel one subscription you forgot about. $10 to $50 back in your pocket. 2 minutes. Do it before bed. Send this to that friend who says, I do not know where my money goes. They need the bathtub math from minute 4. One text could save them $1,000. And if you think subscriptions are bad, wait until you see what your grocery habits actually cost item by item. That video is right here. Click it.